like a bass guitar. Simmer down and mash me up. Tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock.